Hi colleagues, let's do the Gemini storybook and reading coach. It's for language teachers. Let's start with my STLR. Let's go to the grade. Let's choose grade 3 as an example. Let's go to the workbook. Let's choose this literacy, term 3 and 4. So here colleagues, let's choose English. It is there. Then we are going to copy the story. Let's copy it. There it is. It's copied. Then we paste. When I open Storybook, then we are going to paste the copied story, paste, and generate. Alright, so it's generating. There it is. Very interesting. And the visuals are there. You can expand. Also download it. It's downloading now. Again, you can navigate the pages up until the last one. Okay, let's open Reading Coach. This is how you start. You say get started either on top or here in the middle. Just click this one. So you are a student. If you're a student, you click on student. If you're a teacher, click on teacher. But now let's click on student. So basically here you can use these ones that are there. You can create using AI. You can read those that are on the passage. Let's check on them. You can also check the levels of the learner. Then let's move and use the one that you can copy. That is pasted now. Now you need to read the whole passage. Then read the whole passage. When you are done, you press stop. Then it will generate the percentage. So I read mine, it has given me 87%. And you can read again. You can also practice the words. Thank you, colleagues.